Today's top 10 brands stand out for their production capacity, design, innovation, and sustainable practices. From premium paper suppliers to mass volume producers, choosing the right partner ensures your notebooks meet both your brand standards and cost expectations. Let's dive into the top 10 manufacturers making waves in the European notebook industry. Moleskine, Italy, known for luxury designs and a strong global following, offering premium, customizable notebooks best for high-end retail and corporate gifting. Leuchtturm 1917, famous for its versatile formats and durability, widely used for journaling and creative writing. Best for creative professionals and boutique brands. 3. Rhodia, France, renowned for eco-friendly practices, including FSC certified paper and 100% recycled materials. Best for sustainability-conscious brands. Clairefontaine, high-quality paper production, with a focus on affordability and consistency in mass production. Best for large-volume retail orders. Oxford, Europe's best-selling brand for education and office use, known for optic paper and ScriptZ app integration for digitizing notes. Nuna, Germany, known for bold, graphic covers on recycled vegan materials and cradle-to-cradle certified paper with soft leather binding and 360 degrees design. Castelli, Italy, known for luxurious customizable notebooks with FSC certified paper, recyclable materials, and gold page edges, offering digital printing and embossing for branding. 8. Shiak, Italy, handmade with recycled leather, vegan leather, and fountain pen-friendly paper, featuring patented elastic bands and eco-friendly materials. 9. Paper Blanks, known for artistic journals with recycled binder boards, sustainable paper, and Smith-sewn binding. Dingbat's Times UK, eco-friendly, vegan notebooks with PU leather covers, debossed designs, and lay-flat binding. These manufacturers represent the best of Europe, offering everything from luxury notebooks to eco-friendly mass-market solutions. Need the right notebook manufacturer? Lion Paper can guide specs, timelines, and certifications quality on budget. Reach out